Hey there, it's David Cohen, your local home loan expert. And today I wanted to address the question that I get asked often, which is, when does it make sense to combine a first and second mortgage? Now, sometimes you've taken out that first and second mortgage simultaneously to purchase the home. And sometimes you've taken out a first mortgage and then down the road, as you've built up some equity through appreciation in the property, through paying down principal, you may have the ability to take out what's called a home equity line of credit or a home equity loan, still a second mortgage, perhaps to pay for some unexpected expenses, college, home improvements, for any reason that you might need it. But at some point, the interest rate environment, as it always does, is going to change. And there may come a time where you start to question, when does it make sense to combine these two, or does it make sense to combine these mortgages into one? And what I typically do in that instance is we take a look at what your blended mortgage rate is. So in other words, the percentage of your loan on your first mortgage at, X percent, and the other remaining amount of money sitting on the second mortgage at Y percentage. And it's just a little mathematical equation where we kind of determine what's the combined interest rate between the two. If current environment interest rates are below that, and your goal is to combine the two and save money, combine the two, reduce your rate and term, whatever your needs are, I think they would be met by making sure that the current interest rate environment is lower than your blended rate. And I hope that that makes sense. And of course, we can get into more specific discussions. But that's basically when I think it would make sense to evaluate combining your first and second mortgage. If you have any specific questions, don't hesitate to reach out. 410-446-3317.